Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Gems. In this video, we take a closer look at the Stellar cryptocurrency, its chart, future and price prediction. Please check the link in the description box below for more information. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there because it is a highly volatile market. So let's get into the video. So this is the Coingecko listing of Stellar, also known as XLM, and it is currently priced at $0.34 at the time of filming this video. And over the past 24 hours, it has decreased by 5.8%, and over the past 30 days, it has increased by 49.7%, but over the past 1 year, it has increased by 206.1%, which is amazing. The all-time high that has been observed was $0.875 on January 3rd, 2018, over 3 years ago, and the all-time low that was observed was in 2015, over 6 years ago. And here we max out to see how the price of Stellar has been moving so far. So when you take a look at the graph, you're going to see like in the year of 2016, it was not doing anything significant. It was like $0.002, which was nothing, up until this point around 23rd November 2017, when it kind of started spiking up and went all the way here, which is the all-time high that was observed on January 3rd. And then it kind of collapsed again and did some sideways movement up until this point, which was in 31st October 2020, and it started showing signs of going in an upward direction. And then around 9th of May, when the market collapsed, everything kind of came down. So that was the history or the summary of how XLM has been performing so far. And here we take a look at the website of Stellar. So as per the website, Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. Stellar makes it possible to create, send, trade digital representations of all forms, dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, and pretty much anything around the world. And it's designed so all the world's financial system can work together on a single network. So basically, Stellar Lumens is a cryptocurrency that kind of focuses on remittance and cross-border payments. And Stellar kind of aims to be an open financial system that kind of gives people of all income levels access to low-cost financial services. And some of the services that they wish to offer is mobile branches, mobile money, micropayments, and stuff like that. So like I said, it wants to be a global payment app, meaning you can exchange multiple currencies such as US dollars, Mexican pesos, and all using one application. You can also use Stellar's built-in decentralized exchange for crypto, forex, and securities. Users can swap between tokens using simple functions built into the protocol. One of the best things about Stellar is the fact that there is low fees and the transactions happen like really fast, which kind of solves a lot of problems of the financial system, because normally if you want to like transfer money from one place to another, financial systems usually charge you a lot of fees, and also it takes like 3 to 4 days for you to make that transfer happen. But the thing with Stellar is that it kind of makes this entire process very seamless, very smooth, and makes it happen within few seconds. Now let's take a look at the Twitter account of Stellar just to see how much fan following they have and how they are doing. So far they have 612.2k followers, which is fantastic. That's almost like 500,000, meaning a lot of adoption has already happened. A lot of people know about it, and this is where they kind of keep updated about the projects they are working on, just so that you can stay tuned about this project to understand what would be the best approach for their next step. So if you've been watching this video for quite some time, one of the things that you should definitely get is the Trezor wallet. Trezor wallet is like a hardware wallet where you can safely and securely store all your cryptocurrencies, and it is highly recommended that you get one of these if you're in it for the long run, just to ensure that all your cryptocurrencies are safe and you have the key and the access to it. If you would like to get this, please check the link in the description box below. Let's say you did your research and you're like, you know what, I want to buy some Stellar coins. So all you got to do is go to Binance, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency market and exchange we have. Log in or create yourself an account if you're still new to the market, add money to your account and just buy the Stellar cryptocurrency. I have also posted the link to open a Binance account in the description box below, so feel free to check that out as well. If you use that link, you're going to get some extra bonus cash. So considering my entire research that I did, during the year of 2021, its value will stay somewhere between $0.40 to $0.60, and in the year 2022, we can expect that the price will go upside, and it is projected to trade between $0.60 to $0.65. Continuing the growth, it can probably cross $1 mark as well, and it can be traded between $1 to $1.40 in the year 2023. So I would like to conclude by saying that Stellar has a huge potential and it can go up really quick in a short period of time. Given the market and the environment remains steady and Bitcoin continues performing smoothly, which certainly affects all the altcoins out there, there is a potential for this cryptocurrency to increase to $5 over next 3 to 4 years if everything goes well. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please check the link in the description box below to find all the links to Trezor, Binance, and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.